Residing a house is a $15,000 to $40,000 project, and a real share of the houses that need new siding actually need a few board replacements and a good paint job for a tenth of the cost. The trick is telling genuine siding failure apart from siding that's just tired. I'm Jason Hammond. I've resided houses, and I've talked people out of residing houses. Here's how I sort it, sign by sign. Sign 1. Actual rot. And you find it by pressing, not looking. Walk the house and press on the siding, especially low to the ground, at corners, under windows, anywhere a downspout dumps. Sound siding is firm. Rotted siding is soft and spongy and crumbles under your thumb. And soft siding means water's been getting behind it, which is where the expensive damage hides. A few soft boards is a repair. Soft siding all over, on multiple sides, is a real reside. Sign 2. Paint that won't hold. But figure out why first. Paint that peels and blisters on wood feels like the siding failing. Often it's moisture pushing out from inside the wall. Bad bathroom or kitchen ventilation. Not bad siding. If it's peeling worst on the outside walls of bathrooms and kitchens, that's interior moisture. If it's peeling evenly everywhere, that's a prep or paint quality issue. Reside without fixing the moisture source, and the new finish fails the same way. Sign 3. Warped, buckled, or cracked panels. Vinyl that's rippling usually isn't worn out. It was nailed too tight. Vinyl is supposed to float on the nails so it can expand in the heat. Cracked vinyl is usually impact. And the good news is vinyl is made to be spot replaced. Panels unzip and swap out. A few damaged panels is a repair, not a reside, if you can still match the color. Sign 4. Drafty and bills creeping up. Siding gets blamed, but siding isn't insulation. What matters is the house wrap and insulation behind it. That's an argument for doing it right when you do reside, since that's your one chance to add proper wrap and exterior foam. But it's not a reason to reside a sound house. If comfort's the only complaint, look at attic insulation and air sealing first. Far cheaper per dollar of comfort. And the honest one, most we need new siding calls are just maintenance fatigue. Faded, dated, sick of repainting. That's a legitimate upgrade, but it's not an emergency. So take your time and get bids. One last warning, when siding comes off, the sheathing behind it is sometimes rotted too, and that's never in the original quote. Soft siding is the early warning that there's sheathing damage waiting. If you've got soft spots, peeling paint, or a reside quote you're unsure about, send me 3 photos. The worst wall, a close-up of the damage, and a shot down low near grade. $9.99 on hammondreengineered.com/report. I'll tell you if it's a few boards or a real reside.